Hey everybody, it's me, your old pal Double D, and we're doing another magnet fishing day, though it's Sunday and not, Wednesday like usual. With me today are the twins of sin. Hey you guys, pay attention. Who just turned 11. Amazing, isn't it? They're getting so old. As you know, my first magnet fishing video ever was with the twins. Jasmine and Peyton, say hi. Hey. Hey. We've come downtown. We're going to do the downtown. Hold on, man. My hands are a little dirty. We're going to do the downtown run today. Hopefully there's something here. A lot of freaking people wandering around them. And of course, wildlife. Look at that goose out there. Isn't he pretty? I don't know how to zoom in on this thing, so that's not going to happen. Lots of pretty. Of course, we never throw our magnets near wildlife. That's rude. But there's nothing down here where we're going to be doing it. And as you can see, he's got a green magnet now. He pulled that out of the lake, was it last week? Yeah. Last week when, I didn't have a camera with me, so of course he found the cool stuff. But let's hope we find something cool today and we have fun. That's the important part. Set the camera up. You boys all set? Remember to show your stuff to the camera. Try to get it. Oh yeah, first magnet's wet. Don't fall in now. Spread out a little. Get this now. Metal wire. Do the camera. Don't hold my rope up.
I caught a piece of a metal wire.
Come on, you're getting your rope all mixed up with mine. Let me get my rope over here.
And then something else.
I just can't be pointing up at the sky. Okay, sorry about that. Battery died. Now what I found during my first throw was a nail. Not much in there, of course. A piece of wire. Lots of rocks and some scrap metal. Which of course we throw in the garbage when we get a chance. Cause, another piece of metal. Always throw your trash in the garbage so that the water's cleaner.
I got two tiny screws.
Look at that chunk of
I got something that holds the railroad spikes down. I got a tiny piece of wire.
It's like it's a round thing. Finally managed to catch something. I don't know what it is, but it's the biggest thing I've caught in a long time. I need to find my scraper though. Lots of railroad type things down here, but nothing really interesting. Just snagged my magnet on my wallet though, so I'm hoping I didn't just wipe all my cards. Magnet fishing.
Magnet?
Yep, we pull metal and stuff out of the water and things up.
Oh, wow. So it's not for fish?
No, no.
Oh,
We find things like that out of a train track.
oh, that's cool. Never heard of that.
It's a really popular hobby now online.
Really popular where?
Online?
Oh, I bet my son's a huge fisherman, so I'll have to tell him. I saw somebody magnet fishing. Have a good one. Good luck.
You too. What'd you catch? Nothing. Ooh, that's cool.
That's a bird.
That's a big pole.
I caught it right here.
Oh, move yourself around.
Dad.
Try to pull it from one spot.
I caught a big screw.
stuck on. Whip it. Bottle cap. An Irish bottle cap. Found a Guinness bottle cap. And another one. Lots of little nails. Good thing we're cleaning these out of the water to help the fishes. Mollusk shell. Got my first pair of pliers, and they work. Got my first pair of pliers. That's another thing off the bucket list. Now, if only I could catch a fork. I don't have a fork on my thing yet. What?
My glove.
You lost your glove in the water.
Yeah, I had it on.
How did you throw your glove into the water?
I don't know. I don't know what this is, but it's really cool.
You're gonna get stuck doing that. Well, I finally managed to work something out of the mud. It's some sort of little pipe. I think we're going to be moving on from this location. All we're catching here are railroad things, and frankly, we got enough of those. Come on, boys, rope it in. Move on down. Basically just found some scrap metal here. Nothing really worth recording, but you know. That's why we have fun. I'm going to stop the video now to save battery, but start up again pretty soon. Okay, now we're at site 2. We've been here before. I recognize that big piece of metal I hauled out once. I think it's freaking heavier than hell. There's a lot of train stuff in here. Maybe not grab so much train stuff, huh? Bring all your stuff down here, though. Hey, it's like these boys don't know a thing about security. Bring your bucket over here. Oh shit, I'm putting up the camera behind you. here, so be careful what you pull out. Put all the trash back there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a big piece of metal. That thing was huge. Y'all see that?
Yeah.
Careful now, this could be a magnet snagging area, so be careful. Managed to get a big old piece of round crap. I don't know what it is. That definitely goes into the recycle pile. We're going to toss all the recycling right there, okay?
You caught that on the ground.
That's wet. Alright. Short and thin. Hold up. Don't get stuck in the rock. Right there on the edge of the water. You okay? I'll take a look. That's cool. Is that a doorknob? That's a number.
I found a doorknob.
Found some sort of box. Wonder what's in it. We're gonna pound it open and find out. boys, I found a box. Somebody get me a rock. Hold on a minute, I got it open. Okay. It appears to be, I don't know what this is. It's some sort of box. I'll take that home and pound it open later. Found something big, so can it's like a bunch of rocks.
I caught a bunch of rocks.
This place has always been a hotbed of train parts. Like this, I'm pretty sure is a brake pad to a train. But it's out of the water now. We seem to be pulling something up every time out here. I got a piece of metal. Then one of those, if I can get it off, railroad little hook down things. That's pretty cool. That's a saver. I don't have one of those in my collection yet. And rocks. Lots and lots of magnetic rocks.
I found a railroad spike.
Okay, and I just caught a big piece of rebar. You know, if I was the type of person who had a pickup truck and a way to move this stuff, you can make a fortune on scrap metal in this area. I don't, so I don't. Railroad spike. Fresh out of the water. Probably save that one. Nail. Scrap pile. Ooh, what is that? That's something you gotta show the camera with that.
I think it's part of the tree.
Could be.
I don't know what I caught though.
And I got a bolt. How did you stick to a stick?
It's on a stick. It's on the metal.
Then I caught wire. Will you get your rope down, Taylor? Bunch of magnetic rocks. And a nail. Check those things for lures. Another good throw. Got another one of those railroad hooks. I already got one in mind though. And a really corroded piece of wire.
I caught a nail.
Careful, boy. You're going to get hurt. Keep full control of your rope at all times.
What have you found?
Junk.
Junk?
Railroad parts.
Nice. Tell me if you find a bike.
Found one of those last year.
Nice. Good.
Just found a cool spike. Don't know what it's for, but it looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna keep that one in my collection. And then, of course, looks almost like a new nail. Caught a big chunk of steel, I have no idea what that is, and another railroad spike. The rest of those are going in the scrap piles. Okay, I snagged some sort of old rusted pulley. I don't have one of those yet, so I'll put that in my box. I think I'm getting to the end of what I'm going to throw in my box. It's going to be heavy. I've already got most of one-on-one. Off the ring. There's my bucket. And I don't know. I really need to catch a fork. I don't have a fork on my wrist. Come on, no fork on that. Oh my, that's something. Managed to catch another bolt with stuff on it. I do like that though. I wonder if I get that knocked down good. That's going in the clutch and that's going in the strap on it. Another chunk of metal. You did what now? Come on, man. Look at the size of that spike. That's a keeper right there. I really do have to stop keeping stuff though because it's getting way too heavy on my bucket.
We found a weird piece of metal.
Hi everybody, I was just editing this video and I noticed that it ended rather abruptly. That's because I filled up the entire camera without really paying attention. One minute, let me check. Yep, it's recording now. And then I proceeded to go downtown. You've been there before in some of the previous videos. And my magnet got stuck. So I, being the genius that I am, noticed that the water was only about a foot deep. So I went walking out to it. I did not know that right next to the water wall, it went from 2 feet to 5.5 feet in one step. Needless to say, I got a little wet. It was weird because like 1 foot to the other side, it was only like a foot deep. Then right next to the wall, deep as crap. But I also had this camera, the flip camera, in my pocket. And let's just say it got a little damp. It got soaked. It died. But how am I filming this? Ghost camera. No, what I did was, for the last 2 weeks, I've had it sitting right there in that window. Forgive the noise if you can't hear me. I got my fan going. It's hotter than hell. And I let it bake in the sun for 2 weeks. And then I tried it and it turned on. I was able to save this video I had done. And with new batteries, it appears to be working again, hopefully. I haven't actually tried watching any of these videos that I'm recording now. For all I know, maybe it doesn't have any sound. Maybe that burned out. Which would suck because I love my flip camera and I can't afford a new one. It's my best outdoor camera I got. Sorry, I'm recording this up in my bedroom since that's where I'm editing at the moment. And yeah, we have gone magnet fishing a couple of times since then. Of course, it's been 2 weeks. We've done our magnet fishing Wednesdays. Never really caught much. Saw some wildlife. And been to the new game where we score points depending on what we find. I won the first week. One of the twins won last week. I think he cheated. He probably cheated. But I didn't find any. Well, I found it was a lump of metal that makes me think of a comet. Not a comet. Not an asteroid. A meteor. It's just a chunk of iron. A little tiny piece of iron. Ore that's all pitted and it looks like crap. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know that hopefully this camera's working now and I can get back to recording our little magnet fishing with the grandkids, which I enjoy a great deal. One of the reasons I get up on Wednesdays. It's my day off. I usually just like to sleep. And a few other things. You may notice that in the video we have 2 piles. One is our keep pile. Stuff we keep for our collections, you know, like weird looking things we don't have yet. And then the scrap pile. Now, people have asked me before, what do you do with your scrap pile? Since I don't have a car, I can't take it to the junkyard myself. But I pile it neatly beside the path. And there's a homeless man who's usually around there. And he takes it down to the local scrapyard, which is about 1.5 miles away. And I assume he gets whatever the scrap prices are, 8 cents a pound, I think. I could be wrong on that. Whatever it is at the time. I mean, it's a win-win for us. We don't have to tote that heavy metal out. And, you know, he gets a little money. I'm hoping someday to get a car so I can do it myself because I really need the money. But, hey, whatever works, works. Trying to remember anything else. I tried editing this more than I normally do, but I'm not very good at editing. I just use the window edit on my Windows 7. Yeah, I still use Windows 7. 2011 laptop, remember, I'm too poor to afford anything else. Plus, I like it. I mean, the whole laptop crashes every once in a while, but I like it. I wish I could have more memory or more storage for the videos. After a while, I usually have to buy a Fire Stick and just put them on that. Got quite a few Fire Sticks now. Made a lot of videos. Trying to remember anything else. I can't think of anything else. Today is Saturday. At the time of this editing, I guess I should say Saturday, July 1st. So I'm hoping this Wednesday to have a new video for you of me and the boys. I love my boys. All of my grandchildren. I'm hoping to get the girls to go out too, but you know, it's icky. And my father has recently started magnet fishing up in Maine. He said he has a kayak and all that crap, so he can really get out there, but he said only found a few, screws at the moment. But it's good exercise, and heck, I recommend it. And if my 70-year-old father can do it, granted, he's in better shape than I am. Yeah. With the bad shoulder, I can't really do much. I can barely throw the magnet now. But he has a similar magnet to mine, and I'm hoping someday I'll win one of those contests online and get myself a good magnet. And I can pass mine on to one of the grandkids. Anyways, I'm babbling now. Oh, another thing, almost forgot. You'll notice I do tie my rope to myself. That's usually a no-no. But since I'm just tossing like maybe 10 feet away from myself, and I weigh a good 270, I'm not worried. The grandson likes to tie his to his ankle, but again, he tosses maybe 2-3 feet away, and I'm always right there. If you're doing it in deep water or something like that, be careful. Tie it to something. It ain't worth the risk. And on another note, always be security conscious. There's always a lot of people around us when we're magnet fishing, and they're not always nice people. I think I edited out all the people that were, well, provoking. Not provoking. It's like they were trying to, well, provoking, I guess. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if not for me, then the grandbabies. We're doing pretty good, and I want to thank y'all for watching again. Y'all have a nice night. Double D. Out. Yeah.